Hello, all my traders. So this is the second time I'm filming this video because the first time my recording cut off. The second time, my puppy would not stop barking. So anyway, we're coming in this time, and I actually noticed something that I didn't notice the first two times, is this double peak. So 2 bars goes down, another bar goes up. In layman's terms, sometimes people call this the Batman. If you see Batman in the charts, it's always a negative sign. And I'm just trying to, refresh those people who do know and educate those people who don't know some of these terminologies and little patterns to look for. But anyway, this is going to be the post-market analysis for July 29th, Monday. And we start off with a really big candle. It's about 13 points right here compared to all these little candles prior to that. So anyway, we rock it up from 325 up to 362. So 25, 35. So pretty significant gains, 30 plus points of movement in about 7 minutes. But of course, as soon as you see Batman, it goes from 362 down to nearly 100-point loss, about 90 points. So we're taking all this data in. There was a significantly large 7:30 a.m. candle. We saw Batman fell about 90 points. Trying to get here to the 8:29 candle. That should be the last piece of data that we want. Yes, because if you see the middle bottom half of your screen, it says 8:29 a.m. If I'm doing post-market analysis, I like to queue it up right to that point so that I can make my best prediction. I think I'm currently 2-0, and if I do some bad predictions, I want to start a running record of that, because not every strategy is a 100% win strategy. But if I can get this to an 80 win strategy, a 70% win strategy for you all, that would be great for me. And like I said, just reviewing this in the matter of a couple minutes, I noticed a pattern. So I think that these videos are going to do really well for me and anyone who watches them. So let's see, this light blue, let's do this. This light blue line right here is the 14-day moving average, and it's supposed to act as a very, very light support. If it taps it, it could typically bounce up, but it's really weak, so it doesn't work all the time. This darker blue is the 50-day moving average. Again, same principles. If it taps it, usually it acts as support, but the market was moving so fast against the trend today that it went down to the 100-day moving average. And if the 100-day moving average couldn't catch it, we're going down to this purple line, the 200-day moving average, which is, you could almost say, like a rock solid support. But it even broke that. That's how powerful this Batman bearish pattern is. So we crushed through all those, and we've used the saying, so to speak, in previous videos. If the moving averages are above where the trend line is right now, you're going to jump and bump your head, so to speak. And that's kind of what we're looking like today. You see this 14-day light blue moving average. Usually it's on top of all the other lines, but right now it's below them. So let's get back to 8:29. I think we need one more candle move. Yeah. So I feel pretty confident in this trade. I would say instead of the $60 that we normally trade with, I would do the $80. So 4 contracts. For every dollar that the market moves or loses, we gain or lose $80. So we'll buy in there at that $285 dollar mark, and let's see what the 8:30 a.m. candle has in store for us. So it did fall significantly, and then it rose. But like I said, like I tell you all, I don't like to stay in the market for very long, especially if I know my strategy, that we like to snipe, get in, get out, take our profits. That way we can use it for family, fun, food, whatever we would like. So I said that we would get in at 285, and in the first minute it went down to 256. So 285 to 256, it's about a 30-point move. Yep, 29 points. And remember, I said that for every dollar the market moved against us or for us, we would gain $80. So it's about a $2,320 day in about 60 seconds of work. On strong days, I like to stay in the market for maybe a minute. On medium days, I like to stay in the market for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Any longer than that, I'm either wrong in my prediction or I don't want to participate in any kind of choppy trading. So I need to pull the cord and get out. But anyway, this is 3 for O in predictions. Today is actually the 30th. So look out for a new video here in about 2 hours. I'm going to film it live. I actually woke up early this morning and I want to film a live trading video. I want to actually make some money today. So if there's a setup to be had, we will trade. If not, there's still going to be a video to document and learn. But as always, guys, stay safe and happy trading.